Good evening and welcome to Primetime Sports Sunday. I'm Renata Brown. And we go straight into it as following the announcement of Jamaica's team to the World Athletics Championships, a number of the nation's athletes are expected to begin arriving on Monday in Tottori, Japan for their pre-championship training camp. Jeremy Brown reports.
It will be familiar surroundings for Jamaica's athletes and officials when they arrive in the city of Tottori in Japan for their pre-World Championship camp, which runs until September 10. The city previously hosted the Jamaican team ahead of the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2021. Tottori also hosted Jamaican athletes and officials in 2015 ahead of the World Championships in Beijing, China, as well as for the World Championships in Osaka, Japan in 2007. Tottori is the capital and the largest city in the Tottori prefecture. Jamaica's team of 32 men and 28 women, along with a 20-member management team, was announced on Saturday. No official reason has been given as yet for national shot put champion Daniel Thomas Dodd opting out of competing at the championships in Tokyo, Japan. Thomas Dodd, the national record holder for the event, is also a Commonwealth and Pan Am Games champion. She also won World Indoor Silver in 2018. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. Jeremy Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.